Hello everyone, welcome back with Revit basic tutorials how to rotate dimension text. Okay, here I will create new project and we create a simple objects. I will draw walls. Okay, you can use a rectangle tools and I will draw in it. The next I will insert for dimension, linear dimension. You can click start from this point. Okay, move into here, then move to the top. So we have this example dimensions. And if you want to rotate dimension text, you can select these dimensions. And the next you can click edit type. So it will be show for type properties. In it for dimension string types, you can change into ordinate. Click apply, so it will be automatically changed into ordinates. You can see. And to make this text verticals, you can go to ordinate dimension settings, click edit, and you can change parallel to witness lines, and you can click in here end of witness lines. Click OK, and you can click apply. So it will be automatically rotate the dimension text. Okay, that's it, how to rotate dimension text in Revit. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.